On the evening of October 9th, a heavy storm with rain and hail hit the Libyan city of Misrata. The phenomenon was as fast as it was brutal. According to forecasters, thunderstorms were expected in the city, but the hail accompanying them surprised the inhabitants of Misrat. The weather changed dramatically, and hail with strong gusts of wind hit the roofs of houses, cars, and tore leaves from trees. At the moment, no injuries have been recorded. The city of Misrata is located in the northwest of Libya, on the Mediterranean coast. The third largest city in the country after Tripoli and Benghazi.